Here we are in Wakayama at this home tour. Saw a Yamazaki old school kombini you don't see too often. Here is the home, 5.5 million yen, 35,000 USD, two-story 5DK built in 1973. It is quite spacious and about a 10-minute walk from the local bus station. It's not a bad home, but for the price, it needs a lot of work and can probably find something if you pay a little bit more that needs less work. A lot of the shutters I was having difficulty opening, so did not get them all open. Some of this video is dark, but here is the entrance to the home. It is very spacious. Here's a room off to the left of the entrance. Don't remember seeing much water damage, doesn't mean it's not there. Some of this home has looked to be remodeled, like the kitchen. Kitchen doesn't look too bad. See places that you can put the aircon in. Here's the front entrance. Off to the right in this tatami room. That leads to another room up in front of it. Traditional looking Japanese woodwork. Tatami does need to be replaced. I would probably want to replace this before I moved in. Walls look to be in okay condition. A couple places for parking out front. Overall, the neighborhood was quite nice, very quiet and livable. Lots of closet space as always. Not too many items left in this home, but there are stuff in the closet. Floors were a bit soft, but that might have just been because of the old tatami, that when the tatami gets older, it gets a little bit softer. Trying to open this all the way, was not able to. So things like that definitely need to be addressed in this home. Here's the wraparound into the kitchen. You see the floor is newer, and this system kitchen here is all installed. Closet space under the stairs. Induction heat stove. You see it is used, has some wear and tear, but is newer than the rest of the home. So a sizable house overall. Has one toilet on the first floor. Water's not on, so couldn't check any of that. There's a dishwasher off to the side. Here is an area you would put your washing machine. So the laundry room. If the whole house was like this, it would be a better buy. This small sink area near the bath. That baby pink. Here's the bath area. A little bit smaller of a tub. Doesn't have the automatic fill and reheat. Here I am in this third house in Wakayama area. Oop, let me get down there. Door frames are pretty low. Pretty rough condition overall. It needs a lot of work. The kitchen looks like it's been remodeled at some point, but the rest of the house looks pretty rough shape. Needs a lot of TLC. So compared to the other homes, this is a million yen less, which is like, I don't know, 7,000, 8,000 USD less. Probably worth it just to pay the extra million yen and get a home that doesn't need as much work. But if this is the kind of home that you're looking for in the area, it does have some charm here, and you're okay with a fixer-upper, then this could be one that you could consider. I did view this about a month and a half ago, just been a little bit busy getting caught up on videos. I did check, this home is still on the market, and I always try to give some feedback while I'm in the house. Here are the stairs up to the second floor. Again, a bit dark because all the shutters were shut. It's kind of an awkward layout. See all that wallpaper could use some upgrading as well. The tatami room here. That is facing the front of the house. So I'm assuming that other room off to the back was also tatami at one point and was upgraded whenever the kitchen was upgraded. Few boxes. And this room, again, a bit of an awkward room. You could use it as a bedroom, but it's not super wide. A little bit of a soft spot I found there. Would be a lot brighter with those shutters open and the natural light coming in. And this is the back bedroom in the corner. And a bit of a closet space here. And also before you walk into the room. So not a fantastic home for the price. Does have this carport outside. But if you're looking in this area and this is the size of home and you're okay with a fixer-upper, then maybe it's an okay home to consider. I think for this price range we could find some better options, but always like to show the houses that I'm looking at. Taking a look at the foundation, did see one crack right here that looks pretty substantial. But not too many major cracks besides that one that I saw. So there's the home tour in Wakayama. We are a licensed real estate agent. If you have any questions or interested in purchasing property in Japan, please reach out anytime. Thank you and have a great day.